Can you see this? Let's see. There. So it turns, but it shuts off. But I got this tester. This is my tester. I'm just using it for reference for these. And he has newer batteries in it, so but he's got these terrible crimp-on connections, and they're way too big because this is not a lot of room here. So I'm going to shorten them, and I don't have exactly what I wanted, but I have something that's going to be much better. So I'm going to crimp these on, and then I'm going to crimp these on. Actually, I'm going to use these, and then I'm going to heat shrink them, and then they'll be nicely put in here because this is not good. You could have a short. We got one done. Turned out awesome. Much better than these crimp connectors. And I use heat shrink with glue inside it. So it'll be nice. So this was before, so they were all females, but the factory you have a male and then female, so the female should be on the positive and the negative should be. One last note, as a precautionary, I put a piece of fish paper in between where the positive sits and then the negative will rest, because there's really such limited room in here. And fish paper is nothing more than the paper that they use when you're putting batteries together. It's just basically an insulator, which is a smart thing to do with this. These are nickel metal. They're not lithium ion. There's 6 of them. They're spot welded in series, gives you 7.2 volts. These fully charged are about 8.4. So before they were all females. Crappy, this, terrible. And then they had this homemade piece of crap spade terminal, so you could put it on the negative, because the negative is supposed to be the spade. So I have it set up pretty nice. This is not the new battery, but this is a better battery, and it works. It needs a charge. It's a little bit low, but the tester works, which is awesome. I got a super bright light here. It's like the sun. It's so bright. I mean, it's awesome, but you can't see that the illumination is on. But it's awesome. And the batteries are done. The cover fill will fit perfectly. No stress. Put the black rubber surround back on, and it's ready to go back to the customer. So I am completely done with it. Turned out amazing. I mean, looks as brand new as it's going to get. I can't get these screens. This was a lot larger, and so is that, but it works. Most importantly, batteries, I did not charge the battery. I fixed the connectors, but I didn't charge it. Nice. $944 doesn't have a lot. Well, you can see the illumination. Turned out great though. Very happy with it. As they all turn out great though. What am I saying? Okay, I received this Thursday, maybe. And it is reconditioned, ready to go. Turned out very, very nice. Illumination works. I mean, I don't have a car. Go. No. What's cool is you can do the bleeding of the four-wheel drive with this. So it is ready to go back home. Oops. But it really did clean up well. The lighting is weird, but because again I got one of these super bright lights in here. But and then this battery, and just protect this battery. Sorry, I'm protecting it, but I fixed the connectors. It had these terrible connectors on it, but another Bosch Hammer KTS 300 ready to go back to its home, ready to do another 25 to 30 years of service.